Uh-oh, it's that time again. BDC, BDC, BDC. Hey, what up, what's going on, everyone, everywhere? BDC here, back for another video presentation. Alright, so what am I cooking up for you all today inside of BDC Studios? So this is going to be a really quick video, just something that I wanted to record this and I wanted to share with you guys, because you know I try to keep the content up here on my channel, and I have a playlist up here entitled Silo Tips and Tricks. So whenever I come across little things that I think maybe someone else out there this could help you, I like to record it and just drop a little video up here and put it up here for you guys. So this is going to be a really short video. A lot of you out there, you probably already know how to do this. But for my Johnny come lately, that's my beginners that are really just breaking into the business, you may not know how to do this. So I'm going to share this little quick tip with you guys right now, okay? So let's jump into it. So as you see right here on my screen, I'm inside of Silhouette Studios Business Edition. And as you see on my screen right here, this image, now if I click on this image, basically let me say it like this. This video is going to be about how to get the accurate size and measurement of an image inside of Silhouette Studios. So if I click on this image right here, as you see, look at this box that appears around this image. It's really big. Now you know and I know, looking at this image, this is not the accurate size of this image, because look at the image and then look at the box that it's created around the image, from the bottom of the box to the top of the box, or from the top of the box to the bottom of the box, from left to right. You see the width, it's really far out. So somebody might look at something like this and say, well, this is not an accurate measurement. How can I get an accurate measurement of this image? And if you don't know, I'm going to show you that right now. So I need an accurate measurement of this image so that I can re-measure it, because I need to make it bigger, right? But in order to do that, I need an accurate measurement. So what you want to do is, you get a situation like this, it's very simple. Just simply, let me click off of it, come over here to the right side of your panel, and then you want to count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come right here and go inside of your what we call trace panel. Click on the trace panel. Come on, what's going on here? Come on. Y'all know Silhouette be acting so stupid sometimes. Oh, here we go. Alright, so once it opens up, thank you very much. But once it opens up, what you want to do is you want to simply click on select trace area, and you want to trace this entire area right here. So I'm just going to come right here to the edge, and I'm going to trace over this entire image. Give it a minute, let it highlight. Okay, there we go. So now what you want to do to get the entire image is just turn up your threshold. So I'm going to bump my threshold all the way up to 100%. If you see in here, it's rather speculated. Like I have like openings and things like that around it. It's not completely yellow. If you wanted to, you don't need to. But if it was to satisfy you, all you would have to do is pretty much turn your scale up. If you turn your scale up, as we see, much of the image gets covered, but we still have some areas that are not all the way covered. But that's okay. We don't need it to be all the way covered, because all you're really looking for is this outline right here. So once you get at least this full outline of the image covered, come over here and just simply click trace and detach. Okay, now hover around your image. You see we have a hand. Normally, if there was nothing up here, this hand would not be all the way up here. It would just be a pointer. But because it's a hand, that's indicating to us that there is some, even though we can't see it, it's invisible to the naked eye, but there's something here. That's why you had such an extended amount of space around this image. So if you just click anywhere outside of here where the hand is, like right here, I'm going to click right there, you see the box pops up again. But now I can move this box. You see, we can move this box off the image, and if you look at the, it's still nothing there. You're like, well, I don't see nothing, there's nothing there. Yeah, but there's something there, obviously. We can't see it, but it's something there. And that's what was giving us the false measurements, right? So all you got to do now is just simply click, click delete on your keyboard, and then it's gone. Now if I click on that image again, see, I have an accurate measurement. You see, it's perfect now. So that was a really quick short video, just a little something, a little silly tip and trick I wanted to share with you guys. As I said, as I come across things and, you know, things that come to my attention that I feel maybe one of you guys can help one of you guys out, I will try to record it and share it with you guys. You know, and I try to keep up all new content. I told y'all before, I got a lot of new things I'm working on. I got some new stuff I'm going to be working on for you guys. So, you know, just stick with your girl, you know what I mean? Stay tuned right here to BDC-Tees. We going to keep the information coming at you, you heard? So, thank y'all for watching. Oh, yeah, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Y'all know YouTube, they like that kind of stuff. They kick it like that, baby. I don't know why. Nah, I'm just playing. It's really just the algorithm. But, you know, it helps us YouTubers out if y'all would just interact in some kind of way. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Hey, it's interaction. It helps. And it also helps if you comment. You know, say something. Say something to your girl. Say what up. Good job, bad job, hated it. Whatever you want to say. Just say something, because that lets YouTube know people are watching this content, and that helps us to rank in the YouTube search engine when people search for videos that we may have done a video on. So interact is all I'm saying. Y'all know the deal. Y'all know the drill. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm gonna say peace out. See you on the next side.